Hey everybody, we are here in the garden. Let's pick some potatoes today. Okay, I already picked some the other day because we needed some for our meal. It's so nice just to be able to come out and pick some stuff. And really, we're not picking any, we're digging stuff up. So, let's see how this works. All right, this is what we got. Not too bad. Not really sure how good I should have done, but a lot more than last year. So I think we had a successful potato harvest. Do I think it could be better? Yeah, I think it could be better. But this is a new bed. I really only set this up here in March, I believe. And it was mainly peat moss, a little bit of compost, not too many nutrients in there. So the plan is to plant peas in here this fall and to get it ready with some chicken poo, water it down and cover it up, and hopefully get some more nutrients in there for something else next spring. So if I do a round of chicken poo this fall, some peas in there, they won't eat up any of that nitrogen, but they will help convert some stuff, and then we can load it up with some more chicken poo in the winter, let the worms get in there, do their thing, and just kind of build the soil with some comfrey on top to mulch it. We'll just go from there, see how things go. I think we did pretty good. What do you guys think? Let me know. Comment, like, and subscribe. Have a great one, everyone.